gonna have to wipe the lens a lot. I don't know, we'll find out. Beautiful day though. Can't let it go to waste. Full, packed to the rim with water the other day, and we were going through here. I was going through here a bunch with the four-wheeler. You can see my trail, but oh, that shouldn't happen. See my little water marks here. It's starting from over here. The water was up where the snow is, and yeah, it was deep too. It was up past the tire almost, or half past tire. Now there's like nothing. Now it's just water. Now we're just people driving through. Jesus Christ, like water just goes down there. So, oh crap. Yeah. Oh shit. Holy shit. That's deep. That's up past the boot. Woo! Yeah, don't think the four-wheeler's going through that. If I had like a mudding four-wheeler, I'm working with this, and this thing only is two-wheel drive. No thank you there, Chief. Oh, crap, that's deep. I shouldn't have done that. Oh. There we go. Well, you guys can see what I have to work with around here. We'll head up the sand pit because sometimes there's good holes by there. Just go check it out. Yeah, we ain't getting in the sand pit. That's for damn sure. gonna do right now. Might head back to the house. There's nothing really we can do except play in a little bit of mud here and there, but mudding season really hasn't started too much.